Superbike Factory.
It's a Superbike Factory, George.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. My name's Jay. Very blustery, and it's a bit slip-slidey, but we don't care because we're on the bike. Good for the soul. We're just going to take it easy though, and we're just heading off to get some breakfast. I say we, because guess who's along for the ride? Mr. FastyRides. So we're meeting him at the departure, which is just over this top here, and then we're going to ride over to Yonderman's as per, and we're going to go to the, I think we're going to go for a little ride over to Macclesfield to the Superbike Factory, I believe. Just going to go look at some bikes. If you've never been, I did actually have a 125 of them when I first started taking lessons. I had a brand new, it was like a Hyosung 125 GTX or whatever it was called. It was rapid, like a little sports bike. I loved it. I thought it was the fastest thing ever. Obviously until I started taking proper lessons and was on a 650, I believe, Kawasaki ER6N, I think, something like that. But yeah, just get this up. But yeah, so Fasty will probably be fashionably late, as he always is, but we shall see. But it's bloody freezing. But I had a problem starting the bike again this morning, but it's only because it's been stood. Although everything came on.
Here he is, the old gay boy. I just heard you vlogging.
Yeah. I didn't think you'd be here, did you? And be slagging you off.
Yeah. It were all true, so it's alright.
No, it's not. Them nails aren't still there, are they?
Them what?
There were some nails down here before, weren't there?
Oh, were they?
Yeah.
They're probably all in my back tyre, so don't worry about it.
Well, they're good for the snow, mate, aren't they?
Yeah.
Hang on, let me just open that. Oh, alright, buddy.
Yeah, how are you, mate?
All right,
Did you have a
mate.
good Christmas and that?
Do you know what? I can't believe it's been... I've not seen you since before Christmas, have I?
I know, it's mental, isn't it?
I know. No, it was alright, mate. It was just quiet. You know how it is. So...
Man was shite.
Yeah.
Worst Christmas I've ever had in my life, to be honest.
Was it? Well, you weren't very well there, was you, either?
No. I'm just glad it's over and done with.
Yeah. I'm not...
We're into New Year.
Do you know what? I like Christmas, but I don't like the fact that you get this massive build-up and then it just seems a letdown at the other side.
Yeah.
And
But for me, the letdown was Christmas, and the build-up to like New Year is the good bit.
Yeah.
In my eyes, then we're out on the bikes.
Yeah. Do you know what though? We haven't really stopped, have we?
Not really.
We've sort of like, we have actually kept it going, and I think we will. We've actually done a year where we've just not had a season. We've just been riding all year.
That's because we're men and not girls.
Well, I have to tell myself that every time I look in the mirror in the morning.
Yeah, you're a man. You're a man. Now get out on the bike.
Yeah, definitely. So, but no, I'll just say my bike didn't start again this morning. But as soon as I put my little jump lead things on it, started straight up, left it running 5 minutes, and it's alright now.
It's all bloody gizmos you've got plugged into her.
I know, probably. That's what she said.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's a bit cold, but I think it's gonna...
Cold?
Well, it's a bit chilly. I'm warm because I've got these on, but it is a bit chilly.
I've only got a t-shirt and my underlayer on top of it. Warm as hell.
Yeah, but like you said it earlier.
What?
You're a real man, aren't you?
Well, I'm not as manly as you. You know what I mean? But
shall I take my helmet off then? Are we going to wait for a minute or?
Yeah, let's have 5 minutes.
Right, then. Right, guys, I'll see you in a bit. See you on the road. Right, so I think we're going to be a bit late for Simon, but if he's there now, I'll eat your tyre.
Right. I reckon that he'd have texted us by now anyway.
Yeah, I've not heard anything ping through, have you?
Nah, fuck all, mate.
So what are we doing? Are we going over to Macclesfield then?
Yeah, we'll go over to Superbike Factory.
Right, okay.
We'll have a blast over there.
Yeah, is it a nice run over then?
Yeah, the route that I've got, there's 3 routes that you can go. There's the twisty one, there's the other one that ain't as twisty, and then there's another one which is slightly different, but they're all the same sort of length. It's about 3/4 of an hour.
Okay.
So it's not too bad.
So we're not like going to be riding through traffic, are we?
Fucking hope not, mate. Right, we're left here, aren't we?
We are, mate, yeah.
Well, yeah, I'm over. Oh, I've missed this bike. Fucking missed it.
That's how we like it, as long as it's not closed.
I think it's closed. Yes, he is here. Right guys, we'll be back in a short while. We're just going to grab something to eat here. God, you know what? My balls have just touched my leg and they're really cold.
Right, so just had something nice to eat. We've got MoistDecoy. Alright, Paul?
How's he going?
And then we've got FastyRides and on his beautiful BMW.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. So I've just had a bit of a drama with my media mod. It's right, pissed me off. Just £80 media mod. I'm giving up, me. Just
Are you ready, Jay?
Yeah, mate. I've knackered the microphone jack. What a dickhead. Anyway, it is what it is. Not gonna cry over spilt milk, are we? 'Cause that's not what we do.
Never.
We also had a couple of subscribers over at Yonderman that came up to me and recognised me and Fasty, and so nice to meet you both. I didn't catch your name, sorry about that, but yeah, nice to meet you both. You said that you watch my vlog, so thanks for that. Right, heading straight into the rain.
Oh God, no. Not rain.
Storm is coming, but I'm prepared. I'll be gone for a while, but don't be scared. Right now, I don't know if I'll ever arrive. Where the grass is green, we're still alive. I hope I'll see you on the other side.
Well, just one behind you.
Well, this is going to be a windy road, this.
A long
Windy.
windy road that leads to your heart. Oh dear.
You've got a beautiful singing voice, Joe. You should do professional karaoke.
Yeah, thanks, mate.
You systematically go around and close places down.
Twat.
Then you have to...
It's not even wet, it's not even slippery.
famous last words. Where's Fasty? There he is!
Oh, look at this hill coming up. Yes.
Sorry if I'm slowing you down, Si, but
No, mate, just take your time.
I just get a bit, you know,
I'd rather ride safe than
like Fasty.
than do it keen and come off.
Yeah.
Because I'd fucking I wouldn't like that at all.
No, it's too late once you're off, innit?
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of coming off, mate, to be
No,
fair.
me neither, mate.
That's why I started out early this morning, because it was cold. I knew it was going to be frosty and the
Yeah.
roads are going to be dodgy. So I just took it steady 60 all the way up. It was nice.
I would have said the way you ride, mate, I thought you'd have set off yesterday.
Cheeky fucker. Sorry, language.
Oh, it's too late for that. Fasty's tipped the scale now. This is just going to be a constant bleep. It makes me laugh because he doesn't really swear until you get cameras on. Then he's like, swears like a trooper, doesn't he?
Yeah, then he's effing and jeffing all the time.
Yes,
and he?
yeah. I think someone needs to teach the boy some manners.
Where's Barry Sheen gone?
I don't know, mate. It's probably in a field somewhere. Bike on top of him. Oh, he's here, look, pushing it up the hill. Yeah. I don't know where he's gone. He's
Probably on the probably at the Cat and Fiddle now, mate.
Yeah. I don't know. I hope I ain't turn right there. Oh, he's there, look. It's just...
Oh, he's waiting for us, look.
Wait,
Oh, that's him.
Fucking hell.
Waiting for the pensioners, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mates.
The Superbike Factory.
Superbike Factory.
It's a Superbike Factory, George.
Excuse me, mate. Is this a Superbike Factory?
Hello, mate. Do you sell bikes?
Have you got any sports bikes?
Just can't get over how many bikes are in here. So what are you buying, Si?
I'm buying now, mate.
Nothing.
Nothing.
What about you, Fasty?
One of these, the cat is.
Oh, I've got some. Dave's given me a shopping list. He wants me to get him an H2. H2.
They don't sell bikes like that. They only sell decent ones.
Right. This is going to take a while. Right. So we're not far from home. Well, I'm not far from home. Fasty's got a bit to go, but I've enjoyed it. Simon?
Yeah, it won't take me long now. It'll probably take me about 3/4 of an hour from leaving you.
Yeah.
Maybe less actually, because I'm already up at home more or less.
Yeah, you're probably a little bit close to that side, aren't you?
Yeah, yeah.
But no, it's been good, mate. I've enjoyed it. I'm glad to see you out and about again. I'm glad you're better.
Yeah, thank God, eh?
But yeah,
It's been nice.
Yeah, it's been a nice day, and we haven't really done a lot. We've been over to, and that were a nice thing, wasn't it? Subscribers coming over to say hello.
Yeah, I can't believe that. That was well nice.
Yeah, it's the fact
And I
that...
felt really weird. It was like an unknown feeling.
Yeah.
Of somebody saying, "Oh, are you Fasty?" or you
Yeah,
know,
yeah.
"Are you crazy?" Whatever.
It's like someone, and now you know what it feels like when you go over to people and it's like you know them because you've been following them,
Yeah.
but they don't know you. It's weird.
Yeah.
But I think what was weird is the fact that she wanted a picture of me as well. It's just crazy. I
Yeah.
just never encountered anything like that, and it's nice. It's quite nice.
Yeah.
So, but no, thanks for that. It's nice to meet you, both of you.
Yeah, it is. Whoever you are, please write in the comments below
Yeah,
and say it was you, so then we know who you are, you know what I mean? And,
yeah,
you
exactly.
know, if we ever see you again, we know your names.
Yeah, we're quite rude actually, not asking your name. I apologise for that, but no, it was really nice of you. Thank you. But yeah, so we've enjoyed it today. And remember, guys, every day is an adventure. Crazy out and
Fasty out.
peace.
Yeah, I didn't do it today. I don't know why I didn't. I only do that when I'm hyperactive, I suppose. I don't know.